Alright, welcome to another lesson on pop. I'll be sharing with you some cool phrases that you can apply to your pop music. So some sample phrases that works like fire. So let's get into this thing without much ado. Alright, that's the size of the lesson for today. Take your time and play through all these phrases. Then take it beat by beat, and master this stuff. You can also try it in other keys. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to click the subscribe button and also click the like button and also click the notification button so that when I post new content like this, you'll be notified. Happy shading and enjoy.